Well, I just took the high res off the charger, and it's got 1 bar on the battery. It's been charging overnight. 1 bar. Sunrise or what? Now it's got no bars. Incredible. The batteries are worthless. Sunset is at 5:54, and sunrise at 6:42, I think. The score's gone. Okay. 37 degrees on the 10th of October. It's a Thursday, and it's late. What time was it? It was 7:29. Flynn tried 3 times to get me up, and then the wife came by and nudged me. I grunted. She said, okay. She was testing to see if I was alive. And we lost the high rise. Didn't get 200 feet, and she's dead. So there must be something wrong with the charging cable. I've tried a different cable. Not even going to bother trying to start it up again. A t-shirt, flannel shirt, my orange hunting hoodie, and a Carhartt, and some hot finger gloves. I had these on yesterday, but I grabbed one of the wife's gloves. She has the same brand. Wonder why the right hand was so snug. That's why. Dug through the tote and found my glove. We had on and off rain yesterday. And went to town late. Picked up some groceries. And the newspaper comes out on Wednesday after 3 o'clock, and it was almost 3:45 before they opened the door to be able to buy paper. So that's how it wasn't today. Let's see if Flynn scares up another partridge this morning. There was deer on the northwest camera and southwest camera overnight. The southwest camera. The deer was, oh, good 40 or 50 feet away. You can just barely make it out. I don't know what the weather's supposed to be like today. I haven't checked on Florida and Hurricane Milton. It was supposed to blow right through where Brother Ed lives. Of course, oh boy. Of course, addled Joe Biden out of the tube yesterday to say what kind of response they were getting ready for. And he had to take the opportunity to campaign for Kamala. Said that Donald Trump was lying about FEMA response to North Carolina and Tennessee. And Biden's the one that's actually lying, because I'm watching YouTube posts from people driving supplies down. And other people who are flying helicopters. Flying people out, flying supplies in. They're saying that FEMA flew in and shut down the airports so they can't fly their helicopters to bring supplies into people. And I watched Kamala Harris say that they were giving people $750. I watched her say it, and Biden said that that was a lie. I also watched Mayorkas, whatever the hell his name is, Alejandro Mayorkas, the director of Homeland Security. I watched him say that FEMA didn't have money for the next hurricane. And Karine Jean-Pierre, the White House press secretary, I think that's what she's called, is saying that that Kamala Harris giving billions to Lebanon. The billions or hundreds of millions. And saying that they had money for that, but they didn't have money for FEMA, and Congress had to come back and act. Now, how can they have money for Lebanon and not for American citizens? I'll take a walk all the way down there until we go driveway today. See what the Travis has got down here this morning. one good thing about Travis working on Antonio's place is he gets to drive up and down North Road to see how bad it is. Well, the gate's up, so he's not here. It's the end of my property. Flynn, you're gonna get me in trouble, oh man. You get those sticker things all over you. Flynn. Flynn, go. Look what you did. Oh my God. Look at this. All over you. Come on, in the house. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Well, I have to get to some of the fall chores. Got to get up on the roof, clean the chimney, and put the deck furniture away. Have to check the window to see whether it's going to be warm enough. Then I have to get out and put another last cut on the grass. You hear the hounds. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Are you done? Go. Good boy. leaf now. Even right through the grass and get all wet. I can't tell whether there's frost on the roof. All right. We'll try and figure out what the problem was with the high res not charging. Even on your tail, bud. Even on your tail. Come on. All right, thanks for watching.